Hi everybody, welcome back. It's me, Teresa Perrin, and I'm discussing AVCT, and I've been getting a lot of questions and asking for an update on this. People are wondering when it's finally going to pop. So when are we going to see some boom boom candles is what I hope to answer in this video and take a look at what's been going on. Let's get started. Please remember, nothing I say is financial advice, and always do your own DD. I will never tell you to buy, hold, or sell a stock. Okay, so we are currently sitting at $1.02, and AVCT is still number 33 on Weeble's popularity list. So guys, there's still a lot of eyes on it and a lot of people talking about it. The volume has been significantly less than normal. It normally trades 5.67 million. Yesterday, it traded approximately 1 million during market hours. And guys, the 52-week low is 78 cents with a 52-week high of $42.75. And I want you to take note, the percentage of turnover in this stock is extremely low, 0.02%. Guys, we are in an accumulation phase, and that means we are going to accumulate until either some news breaks or volume comes in to send this. With volume being low, which it's been for the last several weeks, there's no way it can possibly move. Now, you will see that the technical analysis the last couple days has been bearish. So you see a short-term downtrend followed by a move to the upside. Guys, it is very possible that we dip below $1 before we make that move up. Don't be surprised if that happens. Currently, there is 20.20% institutional ownership. Corporate is 2.32%. Insiders, less than 1%. And the majority of this stock is owned by retail. As you can see, in the past week, we are down 6.48% or 7 cents. And guys, over the past 3 months, we're down $1.94 or 65.80%. Now, on a positive note, those warrants, if they choose to use them prior to the opportunity where AVCT can raise funds again, needs to be done before January 16th. Guys, that being said, I would expect to see a move to the upside in the upcoming weeks. Prior to that, unless some kind of news happens or we get notice that they have been bought out, then I would not expect to see much. Just being completely honest with you. The short interest is currently 6.67% according to Fintel. Take that with a grain of salt. But guys, there's also something else. On this very low volume, there are very little short shares left to borrow. This morning, at last check, they are down to 4,000 shares. But at the start of the morning at 5:30 a.m., they had 0. So obviously somebody had to sell in order for those to become available. But look at how low it is, and they continue to buy them. They are trying to drive people out of this stock. Currently, the cost to borrow has also been going up. It's 39.46%, and we've been in the 20s for the past 2 weeks. So this is pretty significant, guys, and it could indicate that that move to the upside is closer than we think. Now, failure to deliver still do not come into play with this stock, so don't even think about it. It's not something that we need to concern ourselves with at this time. That being said, guys, I like the fact that they are running low on shares to short. That is very bullish for us. They continue to keep this in the dark pool at significant levels. As you can see through Market Chameleon, yesterday they traded 1 million shares during market hours, and 63% of the total volume was in the dark pool, which is how they're able to continue to control this price. Block trades accounted for 9%, which was less than normal. So we may be getting to that point where we naturally are going to see movement to the upside, because after a stock capitulates and consolidates for so long, guys, it eventually does break to the upside. So keep that on your mind. I'm bringing it to your attention because, I wanted to advise you. We may, prior to that move up, we may see that dip below $1 or maybe even a bounce at that $1 range. But don't be surprised if it dips below. But I think it will quickly recover and meet that demand zone where you start to see a lot of buying come in. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.